In a big square filled with tall buildings, lots of pigeons live together. They played games and flew around, having fun in the sunny weather. One special pigeon, Whisk, was always watching everything with his clever eyes. While flying happily, their tummies started grumbling. Whisk spotted a field below, with yummy seeds and grains scattered around. It looked like a perfect place to fill their hungry bellies. The pigeons got super excited and wanted to eat right away. Whisk warned them it might be risky, but they couldn't resist the tasty food. They all landed in the field and started pecking at the grains. But suddenly, a sneaky net hidden in the field trapped them. The pigeons panicked and fluttered around, not knowing what to do. Whisk stayed calm and thought of a clever plan. He gathered the pigeons and shared his idea to escape from the trap. All the pigeons joined forces, flapping their wings together. They pushed against the net with all their might, trying to lift it up. Slowly but surely, the net started rising. With their combined effort, the pigeons managed to fly up, breaking free from the trap. After escaping, the pigeons felt relieved and closer than ever. Whisk led them safely away, showing that when they stick together, they can overcome any challenge. And they flew off into the sky, happy and free.